Yeah, recording? Cinematic. So your job to make her go what rather than regular rock step. Then 3, you invite her here and here with the connection. Go cha 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 walk. So you have to, as you're leading, encourage her to do this, to do what, and also to do hit. Cha, cha, cha. So therefore she comes here to you on the very long side and very much with the hip back here in this way. So she's preparing herself for the major twist before she's doing walk. That's the secret to make it look better. And 2, 3, go, come on. So don't do twist. You have to go preparation for it, and then wait for my signal. Then you do it.
Okay.
So the basic, the most fundamental movement, which nobody practices, of course, is a hip twist. So go there. So prepare, go. So
Very good. Cross leg, 2,
straight and punch, and go. Walk. Hey. Walk. But your hip twist has to be a little bit stronger, and a little bit faster. So when you hear it good. You turn your shoulder, hip, and now really strong thigh rotation. Very much. If you're wearing the skirt, which should you wear for the dance lesson, it should fly. So wear a skirt all the time. So go and give me a little connection. Walk, go. More powerful. Walk. Better. Walk. Cha, cha, cha. Cha, cha. So cha, cha, cha on its own is much softer action, and hip twist is more like a whip. Speed of light. Right? Right. Go. And walk. Walk faster. Walk. Cha, cha, cha. Stronger. Walk. Walk. Cha, cha. That was better. So try to apply it here. 2, 3, and I go. Cha, cha, cha. Walk. 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 And go back. Cha, cha, cha. Yes?